it offers a plethora of modes and options to choose. So you can see that in the bottom you can see the modes: photo mode, AI beauty mode, night mode, then we have the pro mode. There is also dock mode included. Apart from that, you also get additional options like video, fun video, AR stickers included. Now if you go to the regular AI beauty mode, you have these options. So we have the wide angle mode, so ultra wide angle mode or super wide angle mode is included. Then we have the aperture mode also included. So what it does is you can shoot subjects within 2 meters for better portrait bokehs. There's also the portrait mode available. Apart from that, here we actually you can change the aperture value from f-stop 0.95 to f16, so that's the available option, and f-stop for 0.0 is